We are doing something a little different today. I am in the Mini Cooper S. I'm trying to beat the rain. We've got some bad weather, and go for a bike ride. Some of you guys that have been watching the channel for a while know I had a Mazda Speed with a roof rack. Well, I totaled that Mazda Speed, so I replaced it with this Mini, and it's slightly too small to fit large and extra large size bikes in the back, seeing as I'm 5'4", not 5'4", 6'4". It was a little small, so we're gonna talk about that today. We're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna actually go for a bike ride as well, and yeah, just gonna have a good day off. So stick around, we'll be right back. All right, guys, looks like a beautiful day, although I think it's going to rain. So it did really well. I wanted to do a short trip because of the rain, and also because, well, I just wanted to make sure we weren't going to have any issues. I'm riding my vintage 2001 Gary Fisher Saab Team Edition Sugar. This is one of their first full suspensions after the Y bikes. If you watch my channel, Two Hobbies, Two Mini, you'll have seen this before. So that's what that is. But at any rate, couldn't find a roof rack that I actually liked the aesthetics of on the Mini, so I decided to pick up the world's cheapest bike rack, and I'll explain that here in a second. You can see it mounts very, very simply just to the top lip of the back and the bottom lip of the rear hatch. And the nice thing about that, I initially had it attached under the car, but by attaching it there, I can literally open and close the hatch. I don't have to remove it to get into the hatch. So that's really, really nice. This is a Bell model. You can see the serial number, the model number right there. I'm not going to read that, or I guess I will. B1708711. If you guys want to pick one of these up, I'll link them in the description below. This one, I think they range about $40. This one, guys, I got it at a local Goodwill. I picked it up for $5, and it was actually tagged half price color. So yeah, I got this for like $2.50 plus tax. So could not pass it up. Bell, very reputable brand in cycling for years and years and years and years, even when I was a kid, and I'm about to be 54, so that was a couple days ago. So I felt like it'd be okay. It is a 4-strap solution, so I wasn't quite sure of that, so I had to make a short trip here to my local Barfield park. It's one of my favorites. I even have it on my car, but yeah, so we're gonna go ride here, and a little bit different for the car channel, but I think it'll be enjoyable, and very on par for the Two Hobbies, Two Mini channel. So if you guys enjoy this content, check out that channel as well. But yeah, let's get to riding. All right, so probably starting off a little fast for this trail. This is an old school mountain bike trail, so a lot of rocks, a lot of roots, some climbing, not a lot of descending. So it's not a fast trail by any means, but it's good for growing your technique and getting stronger on the bike, which is two things I definitely need. Not a lot of overgrowth yet, so very happy about that. Like I said, if you enjoy the mountain bike footage, check out my channel, Two Hobbies, Two Mini. I'll put that in the description below. Yeah, definitely started out a little fast. I'll throw about 10 minutes of footage up of this ride and just call it a day, guys. I'm gonna try to ride for a couple of hours, but you guys don't want to see that, so we'll do about 10 minutes, 15 minutes, something like that of footage, and call it a day, guys. I'm really enjoying the Mini Cooper and the 986 Boxster. I know I haven't done a lot of videos on either yet, mainly just car show and car meet videos. I'll try to get to some updates on those two cars soon, but quite frankly I just haven't done a lot to them. I really enjoy them, and I'm really happy I have both. But yeah, the updates will come when I actually do some updates. So until then, we'll just have to make do with car meets. I did start the rides back up. I did one ride, but unfortunately the GoPro kind of died after about 30 seconds. The battery was bad, and I didn't realize I'd put a bad battery in it. So I got about 30 seconds of drive footage, so we'll have to call Mulligan and do that over. But there will be some back race drive footage coming up soon, hopefully, in the next few weeks to a couple of months. Definitely not used to riding right now. I've been doing a lot of Zwift on the indoor cycling app, doing competitive racing on it, and quite frankly, that's a lot easier than outdoor riding. It's hot, I'm tired, so yeah. If any of you guys mountain bike as well, drop a comment down below where you ride, what you ride. This is an old trail, or an old style trail at least, so I thought an old style bike was appropriate, but I have to admit 29ers do so much better on this trail, so much easier with them, but that's another reason to do the 26s. Nothing's rewarding if it's not difficult, right? Subscribe if you're not already, hit that bell icon, and keep an eye out for updates. There are some coming soon, guys. Peace out, guys. Have a great week.